Steel and chrome are my only run. Wind in my face, heart in my hand, miles of dreams across this land. Yeah, every line on this old black top tells a story that'll never stop. I'm riding free, wild as the breeze. No cage can hold a soul like me. The sky's my roof, the road's my creed. Throttle open, yeah, that's all I need. Signs blur by in the heat and haze, chasing life in a cloud of grace. Don't need no map, don't need a plan, just a rumble rolling through my hands. I'm riding free, wild as the breeze. No cage can hold a soul like me. From dawn to dusk, it's destiny. This road was made for souls like me. Maybe someday I'll slow it down, but not while the wheels still spin around. Freedom's calling, can't you hear that sound? Riding free, yeah, I'm riding free. Yeah, I'm riding free. This heart don't need no guarantee. Wind and thunder carry me, forever wild,